Today I'll show you how to recover deleted history on Google Chrome. Before we begin, there's one very important thing to understand. Chrome does not have a built-in undo button for deleted browsing history. Google says that when you delete browsing history in Chrome, it's also deleted on devices where you're signed into Chrome and syncing your history to your Google account. So recovery usually depends on whether that history was also saved somewhere else, such as your Google account activity. The first place to check is My Activity in your Google account. Google says that if web and app activity is turned on, and the box for Include Chrome History and activity from sites, apps, and devices that use Google services is enabled, some Chrome history may be saved in your Google account activity. Open your Google account, go to Data and Privacy, then My Activity, and search by date or keyword to see whether the browsing activity is still there. Now here's the key part. If the history is still visible in My Activity, you may be able to view those websites again, but that is not the same as restoring them back into Chrome's normal history list automatically. Google's help explains how to find activity in My Activity, while Chrome's history pages explain how browsing history is stored and deleted in Chrome itself. In other words, My Activity can help you recover what you visited, but not always rebuild the deleted Chrome history page exactly the way it looked before. If you do not find the deleted history in My Activity, the chances of recovery are much lower. Google's official help explains how to delete browsing history and activity, but it does not provide a supported method to restore history after it has already been removed from both Chrome and your Google account. Google's community guidance also reflects that once activity has been deleted, it generally cannot be recovered. So the practical rule is simple. First check whether Chrome History Sync was on, then look in My Activity for saved browsing activity. If it's there, you may be able to recover the list of sites you visited. If it's gone from both Chrome and My Activity, there usually is no official Google method to restore it. And that's how to recover deleted history on Google Chrome. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.